All right. Well, welcome, everyone. I'm Arti Rai. I am a co-director of the Duke Law Center for Innovation Policy, and we are just delighted to be here at the offices of Stern Kessler, which is hosting this event with us. We really would like to thank everyone at Stern Kessler, in particular Mike Messenger, who I will call out and embarrass. He is also a Duke alum, so of course he has that additional feature going for him. What's that?
You're quite welcome.
And other folks at Stern and Kessler who really helped us out in terms of the logistics. So thank you to Stern Kessler. I'm going to introduce everyone who's going to be speaking at the outset because we have a very compressed time frame, and most of you probably know the illustrious speakers, maybe not so much the academics who are less illustrious than our other speakers, but certainly the non-academics I suspect all of you know because they're bull-faced names in our community. Before I do that, let me say make three logistical points. One is that we deliberately made this a small event, and we wanted that to be the case because we want everyone to participate. We have commentators, official commentators, and they're listed on the agenda, which is outside. I hope you all picked up that agenda as you came in, but we also have specific time allocation for the audience, and so we have mics that we will be passing around because we want everyone to participate in the conversation. As we well know, this is a very hot topic. There was a markup last night, as I understand, on some of the questions we'll be discussing today, so obviously couldn't be more topical. We will be webcasting and recording. In fact, we are webcasting and recording, so know that, FYI. And last but not least, we have restrooms over on that side of the building if you need them. We also have Wi-Fi. There is a password out there. I believe it's Operation Army, so if you need that. And now I will just go ahead and quickly go through our agenda with our illustrious speakers. We will start with a real highlight. Deputy Chief Judge Scott Bullock is going to be delivering the opening remarks. He'll be succeeded by PTO Chief Economist Alan Marco, another real highlight. And then our illustrious commentators who are listed on the agenda will comment, and we will also open comments up for the audience. Then we'll have Sean Ambwani, the COO of Unified Patents, a prominent user of the IPR proceedings. And then once again, commentators. After that, we will have a short break, and we'll welcome Senator Christopher Coons, who is, as many of you know, and he'll be the one who gets a separate introduction because he is, after all, a senator. But as many of you know, he's been heavily involved in thinking about PTAB-related issues. Then we will have some academics, although Saurabh Vishubak is still at the PTO, he'll be our next presenter after Senator Coons, so he's not quite an academic yet. He hasn't quite gone over to the dark side yet, but he'll be presenting in his Texas A&M capacity because he's starting there very shortly. Again, commentators, and then a trio of three academics, myself included, Saurabh as well, and also Jay Kaysen from the University of Illinois Law School. And then we will have some more comments, and we will conclude. So it's going to be compressed, but I hope very packed with information. And without further ado, Judge Bullock.